Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos, opening up another bag. This is the Mystery Ranch District 24. It's a 24-liter bag made of recyclable materials, and it's actually a very cool design, and I'll explain more about it. I had the District Pro, which I really like. The design is great. It allows you to expand. And overall, it's just a great design. So I figured I'd get the backpack that goes along with it. So let's go ahead and look at it right now. The color you see in front of you is what they call mineral gray. Straps. Nothing really special on the back. It does have a raised platform so at least some type of air. It's got the mesh on there, so you'll have some kind of breathing capability on the material itself. Pockets, just nothing extraordinary. But it's when we open it up that we see some more of the things. First thing we'll talk about is the front pouch itself. Velcro, a little noisy, but I can deal with it. But then on the side here, you have a button. When you click the button or unsnap it, and then it has a zipper, now it allows you to go full opening. So allows you to actually move stuff around. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets. Correction, 1, 2, 3 pockets. A main pocket in here. And this is the front portion of what we'll call the organizer. The pocket is really unique because, again, it allows you to slide it over, and then for control purposes you can lock it and fasten the snap. And then of course you have another small pocket on the top. And this is ideal for keys. It's got a key fob there, or sunglasses or phone. It's not really cushioned, so I'm not sure I put my phone or glasses there, but I would put my keys there for sure. And then of course you have the main portion of the bag. And it allows you to basically open it up lengthwise. But when you open it up, as you can see here, a lot of pockets here, but again, notice you have fasteners. So you can actually unsnap the fastener, pull the Velcro, and boom, you're open. You can change the bag on the way that you want to use it that day. So you see it similar to this. It does have laptop. I believe, if I remember correctly, I think it's 15 liter. Let me check. According to this, it says it'll fit most 17-inch laptops. As you can see, lots of room for growth. Also has pockets. So again, this is my first view / thoughts on the Mystery Ranch 24-liter District. Mystery Ranch District 24. A great bag. I'm actually going to start using this next week for work, so I'll let you know what I think. I'm going to wear it for about a month, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.